Infrastructure as a service. So infrastructure here refers to basic computing facilities like storage, processor, power, etc. So infrastructure as a service is like when we talk about computing, so in simple terms, infrastructure as a service is like your hardware. So infrastructure would refer to, like, let's say a laptop or a very powerful gaming computer, right? So that would be an infrastructure. So like when we say infrastructure as a service, it means an organization is using infrastructure provided by an infrastructure provider. So in that scenario, it could be like, somebody, me as an organization, I do not buy my own computing devices, rather than I take them from somebody. Like, I don't purchase the laptop, but I rent the laptops from another provider and use them in an organization. So this concept is very similar to the concept of WeWork, where offices are provided by WeWork, but multiple clients use it and pay for the space only they are using. Please share your questions, comments, and feedback in the comments section.